Hey guys, welcome to another video of CSAT with Justin. So in this video, we'll be talking about the concept of syllogism. So in order to understand the concept of syllogism, you should also know the basic concepts of Venn diagram. So I have already made a video on Venn diagram. So I suggest you to go and watch it and then come and watch the video on syllogism. And one good thing about syllogism is that it's a very rewarding topic. So if you get a question on syllogism in the CSAT paper, I suggest you to attend it. And there are some tricks which helps you to solve the problems on syllogism, which I'll be dealing with in this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share and support. And also if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join it using the link that I'll be providing in the description box. So let us move on with the video. So first let's look into the concept of syllogism. So here you should understand how you can draw the Venn diagrams based on the given statements. Okay, so let's say you are given a statement all A are B. So if you are given a statement like all A are B, you should draw the Venn diagram like this. So this is the circle that represents A, then you should draw B like this. So here the circle of A is inside B. That means all A are B. Okay. Now if you are given a statement like some A are B, that means only some A are B and some A are not B. Okay. So you have to draw the diagram like this. So if this circle represents the set of A, you should draw B like this. Okay. This means that this much of A are B and this much of A are not B. Okay, so this is how you need to draw the Venn diagram for some A or B. Now finally, if you are given like no A or B, that means no, all the A's are not B, right? So if this is the circle that represents A, you should draw B like this, because there won't be any intersection because no A or B. So this is how you need to draw different Venn diagrams based on the statements given. So this you should be well aware of. And there is another method. I'll show you that in that method you don't need to draw a Venn diagram as such. Okay, there is another method as well, and there is a trick as well. So I'll be telling you all those things. So we'll be moving on to different questions that UPSC has asked over the years, and I will explain to you how you need to approach and solve the questions based on that, based on the previous year questions. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so this is a question from UPSC 2022. Two statements followed by 4 conclusions are given below. You have to take the statements to be true, even if they seem to be at variance from the commonly known facts. So UPSC will give a statement like this at the beginning of all the syllogism questions. This is because of the fact that in syllogism questions you will be given statements like all cats are dogs, some dogs are cows. So you will get statements like this. So according to the commonly known facts, you know that these are wrong. So you should consider this as to be true. So UPSC will give statements, sentence like this at the beginning of the question. So I would suggest you not to read these things and spend your time on that. Just go on and read the statements and the conclusions. So I'll be telling you 3 methods to solve this question. So one is by drawing the Venn diagrams as usual. Second is using representative symbols that I'll tell you how to do it. And third is by eliminating extreme statements. So these 3 methods are actually very important. So let's move on with the solution. So statement 1 says that all pens are books. So you need to draw the Venn diagram here. So one thing that you need to understand here is that there will be more than one possible Venn diagram for the statements. Okay, so you need to draw all the possible Venn diagrams here. So the statement is all pens are books. So all pens are books means if this circle represents pen, then this will be the circle that represents books, because all pens are books means the circle of pen will come inside the circle of books. Okay, so I am drawing another Venn diagram, the same Venn diagram, because there will be more than one possibility. So let's read the second statement. No chair is a pen. No chair is a pen. That means the circle of pen and circle of chair will not intersect. So circle of chair. Let's say this is the circle of chair. So this is one possibility. Here pen, the circle of pen and circle of chair are not intersecting. This is a possibility. In this case also, the circle of chair and circle of pen is not intersecting. And there is one more possibility like this. If this is the circle of pen, this is the circle of books, and circle of chair can come like this, right? It can come inside books as well, because in this case also the circle of pen and circle of chair are not intersecting. So you have here three possibilities are there, three possible Venn diagrams are there. So I drew all the possible Venn diagrams. So now let us look into the conclusions. So first conclusion says that all chairs are books. This means that all chairs are always books. Okay, this means that in all the possibilities this must be true. Then only that conclusion is going to be true, right? Because it's an extreme statement. It is saying that all chairs are books. So if that it has to be true, it should satisfy in all the possibilities. Here in the first possibilities, all chairs are books is wrong. Okay, here also not all chairs are books, only this much chair is books, right? So in this possibility also conclusion 1 is wrong. In third possibility, all chairs are books, right? This is true. But as I already stated that if you are given a conclusion like all chairs are books, then it must be satisfied in all the possibilities. But it is not satisfying in this possibility and this possibility, right? Here and here it is not satisfying. So this is wrong. Now if you take the second conclusion, it says that some chairs are pen. So here some chairs are not pen. Here no pen is a chair. Here also no pen is a chair. Here also no pen is a chair. So this is wrong. Now all books are chairs. All books are chair. In this condition, all books are not chairs. So this is wrong. This possibility also it is wrong. This also it is wrong. So this is wrong as well. Now no chair is a book. No chair is a book means it should also be, it's an extreme statement. So it should also be possible. It should also be satisfied in all the possibilities. Then only that conclusion will become true. So no chair is a book means here no chair is a book, it is satisfying. But here no chair is a book is wrong, because this much chairs are books. Here also all the chairs are books, so this is here also it is wrong. So only in this possibility it became, the conclusion 4 became correct. That means this statement is wrong. Okay, so this is the first method by drawing the Venn diagram. So you know that all the conclusions are wrong. So D is the correct answer. So now I will show you the second method how you can approach this question. That is, second method is by eliminating the extreme statements. Okay, here I already told you that all chairs are books is an extreme statement. Why? Because all chairs are books will only be true if it is satisfied in all the possibilities. So it's an extreme statement. So you can eliminate this statement. And in conclusion 2, it says that some chairs are pen. Again, it is an extreme statement. It is not as extreme as conclusion 1, because it's saying some, the word some is there. In just conclusion 1, the word all is there. So it is highly extreme. Conclusion 1 is highly extreme, but conclusion 2 is not that extreme, but it is extreme because some chairs are pen means some chairs are always pen. It means that in all the possibilities some chair must be pen. Okay, so this is also a little bit extreme, so you can eliminate this as well. Then conclusion 3 state that all books are chairs. That is also extreme because the word all is there. So this is also wrong. Now no chair is a book means no chair is a book means no chair is a book is also extreme because the word no is there. So it is also wrong. So in that way also you can eliminate the statement without doing any Venn diagram or anything. But you should know that this must not always be true. So if the statements are extreme, there is a high chance that it's going to be wrong. And if the statements are a possibility, then there are high chances that it is going to be correct. You know, there are statements which is a possibility, like UPSC can give a statement here like all chairs may be books. This means that all chairs may be books. There is a possibility that all chairs can be books. This will be correct. This statement will be correct even if it only satisfies in one possibility. So in this possibility, in this Venn diagram, all chairs is books, right? So in one possibility, this is correct. Then this statement will be correct because it's a maybe. It's only a possibility. And UPSC can also give a statement like all chairs being books. All chairs being books is a possibility. So this is also a possibility. So there are high chances that this can be correct. This all chairs being books is a possibility means even if it satisfies in one possibility, this is going to be correct. So if UPSC give extreme statement, you can consider it to be negative. It can be wrong. You can consider it to be wrong. There is a high chance that it is wrong. And if UPSC have given statements which are a possibility, then there are high chances that it's going to be correct. In this way also you can solve the questions on syllogism. I will give you more questions and we can apply this technique as well. Now there is a third method which is also actually a very easy method. Here you are using representations. Okay, you can use representations. So here statement 1 says that all pens are books. So let's say P represent pen. We have 3 pens, so I have written 3 P's here. Now all pens are books. That means I am writing B for books. That means all pens are books. And there will be books which are not pens, because the statement says that all pens are books, not all books are pens. So all the pens will be book and there will be books which are not pen. And now statement 2 says that no chair is a pen. No chair is a pen. So chair can come here. Okay, chair can come here because no chair is a pen. So it will not come like this, because if I write C here, then this chair become pen. So I cannot write this like this. I can write C here and C here. Okay. So conclusion 1 says that all chairs are books. No, only this chair is a book. So this is wrong. Some chairs are pen. No chairs are pen. So this is wrong. All books are chairs. No, only this book is chair. So this is also wrong. No chair is a book. No, because this chair is a book. So this is also wrong. So in this way also you can solve the syllogism question. So this is the 3 methods. First is the Venn diagram methods, which is the common method, which is the general method. And then we can use elimination techniques as well. And you can all use this representative purpose as well. Okay. So we'll be doing more questions and you will understand it more. Okay, so let's move on to another question. This is a question from UPSC 2022. Before moving on to the question, I will give you a tip. So we already told about extreme statements, right? So if the words like all, no comes, it is the most extreme. Okay, these are the most extreme statement. If the word some comes, it's kind of a middle extreme. So it's not that much extreme, but it is not that much possibility as well. And then the lowest one is if the words like possibility or maybe, if all these comes, these are the least extreme ones. So this you need to keep in mind. So let us move on to this question. First, let us try to eliminate some options using the trick of extreme statements. So now the conclusion 1 says that, I'm not looking into the statements, I'm directly looking into the conclusions. So conclusion 1 states that some scientists are doctors. So this is like a middle path. So it's a middle, right? It's not that much extreme and it's not that much a possibility as well. Now all engineers are doctors. This is a little bit extreme, so we can eliminate this one. Some engineers are doctors. Again, it's like conclusion 1. So there is a chance that this can be true or cannot be true. So that's there. Now here we know that conclusion 2 is wrong. It is the most extreme one. So we will eliminate this one and we can eliminate D as well. So we got two options. Now you can apply Venn diagram or the other the method of representation. So let's go for Venn diagram, then I will show you how you can do with representation as well. So it says that some doctors are teachers. So some doctors are teachers means if this circle represent doctors, this circle represent teachers. So some doctors are teachers. So there will be a small intersection. Right, this is the intersection. Now all teachers are engineers. So all teachers are engineers. So we can draw like this. All teachers are engineers. Or it can also come like this. If this is doctors and this is teachers, it can also come like this. Then also all teachers are engineers. Right. Now it says that all engineers are scientists. So it can come like this. All engineers are scientists. It can also come like this. All engineers are scientists. So there are different possibilities. So conclusion says that some scientists are doctors. Some scientists are doctors. Yes, this much scientists are doctors. Here also this much scientists are doctors. So in both cases it is correct. So this conclusion is correct. And conclusion 2, all engineers are doctors. No, this is wrong. This much doctors are not engineers, right? And there are this much engineers who are not doctors. So conclusion 2 is wrong anyways. Then some engineers are doctors. Some engineers are doctors. Yes, this much engineers are doctors. So this is also right. So C is the right answer. So in this way you need to do the problem. So I will also show you the method of representation here. So here it says that some doctors are teachers. So I am drawing, let's say D represent doctors. So this much doctors are there. Then some doctors are teachers. Let's say this doctor and this doctors are teachers, and there will be teachers who are not doctors as well. Now all teachers are engineers. So all teachers are engineers. There will be engineers other than this as well. Then all engineers are scientists. So this is scientist, 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 and there will be scientists who are not engineers as well. So first conclusion says that some scientists are doctors. So yes, some scientists are doctors. Then all engineers are doctors. That is wrong because this engineer is not a doctor, this is not a doctor. So this is wrong. Some engineers are doctors. Yes, this engineer is a doctor, this engineer is a doctor. So this is also correct. So conclusion 1 and 3 is correct. So in this way you can solve this question. So now let's move on to another question which is from UPSC 2021. So let's first we will apply the concept of extreme statement. So I'm directly reading the conclusions. So it says that here, if you see here, there is no, here there is all, here there is all. So there is a high chance that conclusion 2, 3 and 4 are wrong, right? Conclusion 2, 3 and 4 are wrong. Then you can eliminate all this A, B and C. So option D might be the correct answer. So let's look using our concept of Venn diagram. So it says that some greens are blues. So let's say this circle represent greens, then this circle represent blues. Some greens are blues. Then some blues are black. This is blue, okay, this is blue. Some blues are black. Some blues are black. So it can come like this, or it can also come like this. So this is green, this is blue. Then some blues are black. So it can also come like this, black. Here also this much blues are black. Okay, it can come like this. So conclusion 1 says that some greens are black. No, in this statement it is wrong. Some greens are not black. So this is wrong. No green is a black. No green is a black. You cannot say like that because here this much green is a black. So this is also wrong. All green are black. No, all green are not black. This much here, see, this much green is not black. So this is wrong. Then all black are green. That is also wrong because here this much black is not green. So C, option D is the right answer. So we got it very easily by using the trick of extreme statement by eliminating the options. Okay, so that's why this elimination technique in the syllogism is very important. Okay. Okay, this is another question from UPSC 2021. So let's read the conclusion first. So first conclusion says that certainly some radios are watches. This is extreme. Certainly means whatever the case, it is true. So certainly, that is an extreme word. So there are high chances that this is wrong. Again, in conclusion 2, again there is the word certainly. It's also very extreme. So there is a high chance that option D is the right answer. I'm only saying a high chance. Okay, there is a high chance that option D is right answer. So let us do this using the representation method. So some radios are mobile. So we will write radios like this. These are the radios. Then some radios are mobile. Let's say this radio is a mobile, and they will be mobile which are not radios as well. Now all mobiles are computers. So all mobiles are computers, and there will be computers like this. Some computers are watches. So let's say that this is a watch and this is a watch. Okay. Now let us say certainly some radios are watches. No, only these two are watches. So no radio is a watch here. So this is wrong. Certainly some mobiles are watches. No, we cannot say like that because even if I write watches here and here, so here also some computers are watches, right? In this case, but no mobile is a watch. So certainly some mobiles are watches is wrong. So option D became the right answer. See how much easily we solve this question using the concept of extreme statements. So in all the 4 questions that we have discussed so far, these were all the questions from UPSC, okay, from CSAT. So in all these questions, we were able to apply the concept of elimination. Okay, now let us solve one more question. So this is a question from UPSC 2020. So here let us apply the concept of extreme statement first. So in conclusion 1 there is a word all. So there is a high chance that this is wrong. And in conclusion 2 you have the word some. So there is it's a 50-50 chance. So it's a little bit extreme statement, and there is a little chance that it can be correct as well. Okay, So anyway, we can eliminate the options where conclusion 1 comes. So you can eliminate option A and option C. So B or D can be correct. Now let us do it using the concept of Venn diagram. So all cats are dog. Let's say this circle represent cats and this circle represent dogs. Okay. Now the second statement says that all cats are black. So all cats are black. So it can come like this, or it can come like this also. Let's say this is cat, this is dog, and this can be black. Then in this way also all cats are black. So let us look into the conclusion. All dogs are black. No, because in this possibility all dogs are not black. So this is wrong. And some dogs are not black. In this possibility some dogs are not black. So correct. But here all dogs became black. So in this case conclusion 2 is wrong. So this is also wrong. So option D is the right answer. So guys, thank you so much. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and share, because your support would be a big boost to my channel. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join it using the link that I'll be providing in the description box as well. So guys, again, thank you so much. I'll be coming again with a different video. Thank you.